Tech products nowadays are getting quite expensive. Like you can buy a new iPhone for over $1,000. But let me let you in on a little bit of a secret to get hundreds or even a couple $100s off some of your devices. And it's super simple, so let's just jump right into it. Buying a new device nowadays is quite expensive. Like the new iPhones are selling for over $1,000 now. But really you don't need that. What you're paying for with that is the brand new box, the plastic wrapping around it, the device in excellent pristine condition, and that just amazing unboxing experience. But you can get a device for several $100s cheaper if you don't go all that. You just skip all of that. And what I'm recommending you do is you buy a used or refurbished device. Now don't start freaking out that a used device is just going to have a bunch of scratches, the screen's going to be all scratched up, and your experience with the device is just not going to be as premium. You can get a device that is in excellent condition for that price. I'm going to show you how to do that today. In fact, before I jump right into that, I want to tell you a little bit of a story. So, 6 years ago I bought this. This is an iPhone 6s. And this is the only iPhone I've ever had, and it's lasted me since then. So, I bought this device off one of the websites I'm going to be telling you all about today for several $100s cheaper than I would have got it if I had gotten it brand new. And when I bought it, the screen was in excellent condition, there was no scratches. If there was any, I didn't even see any. And the back was in excellent condition as well. Everything worked perfectly. And just a couple of days ago, I bought another device from this same company called Gazelle, which is one of the websites I'm going to be telling you about today. And it's really great. Oh, and wait, before we move on to the rest of the video, make sure you watch to the end, because I'm going to tell you about a website that I would recommend you don't buy from. Just from my experience. Alright, so the first website I recommend you guys go to is Gazelle.com, and you can go there by going to buy.gazelle.com, and this is what it looks like. So this is the website. I bought my iPhone 6s off of those 6 years ago, and it's lasted me since. And the website I just brought to me a new iPhone 11 Pro. Not only do they sell iPhones, but they sell Samsung Galaxy devices, they sell Google phones, and they sell iPads and MacBooks as well. My siblings and parents have purchased from this, and they have all had equally great experiences as well. They have this 30-day money-back guarantee, and their quality is great. They say they have a 30-point inspection, and they have free delivery. So let me walk through what it might be like to buy a new phone through them. Let's say we wanted this, the iPhone 13 mini. And let's say we wanted this, the 128GB version. So you can select the carrier you have. They have more carriers for the other devices, it looks like. You can get the storage, and you can get the color you would like as well. And then they have this, the cosmetic condition. You can either buy a fair, good, or excellent devices, and I'll let you all read these on your own. Not only can you buy devices from them, you can also sell your old devices back to them and get paid to go towards your new device that you're going to buy. But that's the first website. Check it out. I'll have links to all these in the video description. The second website I would recommend you all check out is Amazon Renewed. Amazon Renewed definitely has the largest variety of devices that you can choose from. You see here on their website, they have smartphones, computers, home and kitchen, tablets, gaming, smartwatches, cameras, office products, lawn and garden even. And you can check out all of these with discounted prices. If we click on one of these results, for example this, the iPhone 11, you can select your storage space, your color, your carrier, and you can even select the condition you want, acceptable, good, or excellent condition. They have a 90-day Amazon Renewed guarantee that comes along with it, and you can read the rest of these things. They have it in excellent condition now, which is awesome. They say it might not come with the original accessories, but they will give you accessories, basic accessories that will work along with it. And there are many, many other options on this website that I would definitely recommend you explore. And the third and last website that I would recommend you check out is called Trademore. And you can go to them by just going to Trademore.com. Now, Trademore has a lot of the similar things that you have on those other websites, and you can get the devices for about the same condition as well. One of my brothers just bought his iPhone XS for a discounted price, a very discounted price, from Trademore, and it turned out great as well. They have iPhones, other smartphones, smartwatches, and tablets, and they as well allow you to sell your device back to them to make money towards your new device. They as well, like a lot of these other websites, for example, if I were to click on this iPhone 11 here, you can select the carrier, the capacity, the color, and what condition you would like. What's included in the box? these things, and then they have Trademore certified, so you get a 30-point quality inspection, free 2-day shipping, and 30-day return policy. So I've just given you 3 suggestions of websites that I would recommend you check out, especially Gazelle. I've had great results with Gazelle. Now, I would give you a little bit of warning. There's one website out there called Back Market that my family at least has not had very good results with. My father bought a device from them just a few months ago, and the camera ended up stopped working after a couple of weeks, so he had to send that one back. And my brother just a week ago bought a device from them, and it was completely scratched. The screen was completely scratched, and the back of the device was completely scratched, and was not at all in the condition that he was looking for, so he had to send that one back as well. Now maybe that's just our experience with it, but you can take that as you will. Thank you again for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.